Hi everyone, today I'm going to take makeup tutorial again, and this is my dog. He is Maltese and he's very young. He's about like 5 months first. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put foundation on my face, and this one is same with last time. Zuva on Glow, a glow. And yeah, I pumped this amount and then put on my face. And then I'm going to smudge with my puff, this one. This is very light, and actually it doesn't have that much coverage, but I like to put on light foundation, so it is a key for me. And then I'm going to put concealer, as same as last time video. Oh my god. NARS avocado concealer, and put on your bumps or pimples to cover. And then smudge with this puff again. And then I'm going to draw eyebrows with this Shuemura Heart Formula number Heart 9. Just add some colors on my eyebrows. And then just smudge with my finger. And then I'm going to start eyeshadows. This is Chanel Ultra Flash 838 Ombre Creamy. And then put on your finger and then smudge into my eyes. It's like peach color. Just add color to my eyes on purpose. Like this. And I'm going to just cover with this brown palette, MAC Amber Time 9s, this 9 palette. Oh, before that, I'm going to use Ginger Shadow Laura Mercier to base my eyes. And then go to my palette again. I'm going to use this color. Oh, my working. He's working. Wait a second. Add some colors to my eyes. And I like to do one more time because it's too light. Like this. And then I'm going to add more dark color to make my eyes dip like this. I'm going to use this color. On the edge of my eyes. Just like this. And then I'm going to draw a liner to my eyes. This is Clio So Simple Waterproof Pencil Liner number 2 brown. Just draw and follow your eyeline. And my tip to draw eyeliner is just draw a liner as you like, and then use your nails to put more sharp your line, make more, yeah. And then I'm going to lash my eyelash. I'm going to put upper eyelash. This is Shuemura eyelash curler, and then put mascara on. This one is Heroine Make Long and Curved Mascara. Yeah. Like this. Then I'm going to add some Mom. And I'm going to put this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Color Moonstone to my inner corner of my eyes. because it brightens your eyes really much and it looks very big. It makes bigger eye. Like this. And then I'm going to put this under my eyes too. Like, yeah. And I'm going to do shading. That's my Real Technique brush. Just swipe all of its colors and brush into your cheek. And forehead. And then give highlighter to your face. Keep it on your nose. And a little bit to your forehead. And it looks more like you have a life in your face. And not Leslie, but this is my favorite part, blush. This is Clinique Ballerina Pop. I'll use this Wedge Puff and put on your face. It really gives life on my face. It makes me alive. And then this Orgasm NARS. Its color is like this. Pink, like coral pink. Use this brush, Real Technique. It has really small parts, so it looks very glowy. Make you very glow. Yeah. And then very lastly, I'm going to put lip gloss, Lip Sync Roarong number 45. Then just tap on your lips. As much. And this is it. This is really good for daily. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time in next video. Bye.